Yes.
Lone, you want some head?
Oh my god, give me my new flashlight. Thank you. To be fair, I was stabbing them from behind, so...
From behind.
Was your sword out?
No.
Yeah.
My dick was though.
Oh, lazy gamer, it's you. It's you, right there, in the screen. You're a pig.
Lone,
He's
look,
one
I
with the
found you
pigs
a
now.
fish.
One with the lazy gamers.
I found you a fish, Lone. This is for you. Oh, I missed. It was in your mom's ass. Huzzah!
Are you near me?
Oh,
Ah!
there's a sword in your head.
Oh,
buddy.
Shit! Holy
I
shit!
saw-
I got the sword out of it. I got the sword out of his head. Ha! Oh
My sword.
shit!
Leave it in. My sword.
Oh, right here. Guys, let's get him.
Holy
Ow!
shit!
He hit me. Let's get
Shot
him.
him.
Let's get him. Oh.
Missed him.
Huzzah! I'm gonna die. Huzzah! Yeah, get him. Yeah! Fuck you.
We got him! Oh shit!
Ow!
Oh, I watched that happen. Oh shit! No! I saved you.
Bitch, gotcha. Huzzah! Got him.
Warhorn me! Warhorn me! Horn me! Horn me!
I can't.
Horn me!
I can't.
You're gonna
Activate
kill me, you
jumper.
son of a bitch! You son of
I
a
am-
bitch! I didn't
Murder
want you
the
to come to
AFK,
this
you
lazy.
fucking
I'm gonna
bitch.
have to kill you with my own two hands. I do must say, you are quite the skilled profession.
Wait,
Fight,
hold
fight,
on.
fight.
Ow! Yeah! Ow! Won't help me.
Stab him.
Don't help
Lone,
him!
get me
Don't
up.
help him!
No,
He's
get
a
me up,
piece of
Lone.
shit! He's a
Ah.
piece of shit! I killed him!
Piece of shit. Yeah, take that.
Oh,
Take
I don't know
that.
how to help.
Take that. Take that, you asshole. Take that. Now you're missing your head. Fuck you.
Oh, that was great.
Oh, I just got... Wait, I died from getting shot in the arm.
Good.
That sounds like a very medieval thing to do.
Did you guys just hear that? That battle girl was like...
Posh bollocks arsehole who just said, impressive, you're not dead yet.
Oh, damn.
Killed
that's
that
an arrow.
motherfucker. Oh,
Yeah,
we.
Lone,
Oh,
some of the shit they
help!
say is
Lazy!
crazy.
Lazy!
I'm coming. Hold block. Just block. I got you. Huzzah. Come on, let's get him. We got this.
I'm on 1 HP.
Oh, that's your head.
Bang bang with the boys. Oh, fuck. No.
Let's go.
Never mind.
Yeah. Fuck you. Oh my god. That was spectacular. The timing could not have
was
been better for
beautiful.
that. I'm picking up his head. Don't worry. Catapult. Someone send me the skies. Oh, hold on. Nope, hold on. Sir, I'm trying to get
You just got
catapulted.
fucked.
Zach, help me up.
I thought it was quick to revive, so I was like, you know what? Hold on, let me just revive you real quick.
Moving him.
I'm pushing it. I'm pushing it.
What's
I'm
up?
pushing
I'm
it.
distracting him. I'm down, but push.
I'm
Push
pushing.
onward.
I'm pushing.
Pushing.
I'm pushing. I'm getting stabbed. I'm pushing.
We did it.
Yeah.
Fuck all of you. Fuck all of you.
Suck my ass. We did it.
I got my arm cut off.
On a Tuesday night, you sons of bitches.
Fucking, we did it, Lone. I got my arm cut off.
I was helping. I was at the back.
Yeah. I got you, Zach. Let's
I
get
was
him.
pushing.
Yeah. Double kill.
Am I missing an arm?
Yep. I'll push out your misery, buddy. I got you, buddy.
Hell.
There you go, buddy.
I just needed a doctor. You took my head. What
Yep.
the fuck?
I did. You were missing an arm.
Are you gonna go fuck it?
Well, of course I am, but I'm gonna make Lone watch first. I'm pushing it.
I had to
Push,
commit that. That
lazy,
was a
push.
I'm trying to
beautiful
push it
kill.
back. If I move, they're gonna push it. I heal. Ow, I'm dead.
Oh, lazy! I watched that. Barricade are we burning here?
The one with oh wait, I don't know. Oh, right here, buddy. Look for the
I
gold.
took a torch. Where? Oh, I'm burning. I'm running.
Take a torch.
Oh, I'm trying to burn. I'm trying to burn. Leave me alone. I'm trying to burn.
Run, Zach, run! Oh, I've got a shovel. Run! I'm still alive. Huzzah! Oh, I'm dead.
Fuck!
Oh my god! I'm the best. Just kidding, that's my
I
head.
think.
Oil pot. What do I do with an oil pot?
That's the fireball. You
Don't give it to the Americans.
Hey, lazy. Lazy.
What's up, buddy?
No way.
Help! Zach, help, I'm on fire! Help! Help, I'm on
Here,
fire,
I'll put
Zach.
you out. I'll put
me
you out. There you go.
Put me out!
I'm putting you out.
Zach,
There you
get
go,
me out.
buddy.
Oh, I'm dead.
Oh, shit!
I just threw a candlestick at Zach. Wait. We'll lob another one. Where is he?
Zach always knew I was too lit.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Aim for lazy gamer.
Kill the calorie, dude.
I got a team kill. Whoops.
Let's talk.
Bye-bye.
Let's talking word playing. Wait, who's on the calorie? They keep
I'm
saying
just
to kill
rage
them.
baiting.
Help! Wow. Our cavalry sucks.
I hit our teammate. Whoops. They're gonna get pissed.
Our cavalry that should be actively defending the catapults sucks dick.
Yeah, it's me. That's me. Yo, Cowie, slow down, bro. Sorry. I didn't mean to hit you. I hit a teammate again. God damn it. Zach, what the fuck?
I'm just fucking people.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, I'm coming. What?
Oh, okay.
Ferrero Rocher.
Crisps? Are you eating some crisps?
Someone help me.
Nope.
Help, I'm trapped. Help, Zach. Help, I'm trapped. Zach,
I'm spanking
help.
you.
No, at least you did your fist, so it doesn't hurt as much. Look, 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 everyone's around me. Look. Whoa, oh, that's throwing shit at me.
Oh, bro.
That's throwing heads
Bro,
at me.
are you seeing what? He's
throwing
eating your
shit.
buns, bro. He's eating your buns.
Yeah. Yeah.
This
Look,
guy's eating your buns.
look, you're
oh,
missing.
he's touching it.
Look
oh.
at this load. You're missing this. They're touching me. Yeah.
I think he's about to stick it in, bro.
That guy can throw heads at me. This is hot. Oh, that's nice. That is nice.
You
Look
like
at
that lazy? You like that lazy?
That is nice. Well,
You like that? Oh, you didn't see
Design.
anything. He wasn't doing anything.
I
Lazy, how could you kill yourself?
it said you killed me. Is that a cannonball?
I'm in danger.
Ow!
Holy shit!
Oh my god, I hit
I
someone.
landed in the boat.
I'm dead. I'm
I
dead.
hit someone. Oh, we all spawned together again. Yay.
Yay.
No, I have a kid
Uh-oh.
already.
Stop,
I'm
stop.
good.
Ooh, that brother's floating in the air.
I hit another
yeeted.
person. Why is it when I always hit people? This is so fun.
Dude, I love going flying across the map. That shit's so funny. More shit.
I'm just saying that. You motherfucker!
Wasn't me. Wasn't me. Wasn't me.
I saw it was you, you dumbass. I'm in third person.
Whoops. Oh, look, look. Hiya. Yeah, get down here, bitch. Oh, he's dead. Oh, it's his head.
Pork him.
Do you want some? Hey. Hey, Lone.
Pork him in the ass.
Lone, you want some head?
Oh my god, give me my new flashlight. Thank you.
What did he say?
Bro, just holy shit. Oh, another head. Huzzah. Huzzah.
Can I have
Don't
my
mind me,
axe,
gents.
please?
Don't mind me. I'm just gonna get my punishment.
Doing it again.
Ow. 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 All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. If you haven't already, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel. We're close to 100. Let's do it. Shout out to Zach and shout out to Lone. Both amazing people, great content creators. I highly suggest their content to anyone. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one.